We've not seen much use of the railbus because it's been a bit temperamental. I think that the sidelight, the car side lights that light up the interior and the headlamps are drawing too much current. So I'm going to have to improve that, remove and put some proper model railway spec bulbs in there. Because they seem to be drawing a lot of electricity from the motor. And this motor here, this G-type motor, is not one of the best. It has a very... the winding frame, the frame of the motor, you know, of the where the winding is fitted, it's made of plastic. It's not even made of iron. So it's not one of the best motors. We'll have to take it to bits and do a comparative. We'll make a video dedicated to this, comparing it with the other I can't even remember the class, you know, 2-axle V100 DB locomotive. It seems to be going quite well now. I had to sort of encourage it. My very, very first scratch built model. There, it's going to conk out any moment now. Come on, you can make it. The track's also dirty, so it's not helping it. I learnt a lot making this one. This was a good test bed. And in fact, I'm keeping it as my profile picture. Because it was a real, very interesting project. I've never built anything sort of scratch built like this. And adapting it, it seems to be improving now. So this is the real last train on the layout. Okay, very well. Cheerio, and see you next time with other videos, maintenance and the like, and there's plenty of archived video footage for the oncoming period without the layout out. But the layout will be coming out for weekends. Some work, you'll see the work on the lamps, the wiring, there will be some construction site work happening. And then we'll be back to running sessions at weekends. Cheerio, and see you next time from Patrick's Models and Transport.